Hello, in front of me I've got SONY ULT Wear. In this video I'll show you how to manage adaptive sound control via app. In the beginning, go to Sony Headphones app and enter adaptive sound control. Now you can switch this button to enable or disable it. You can optimize switching for you. And now you can manage action detection. For example, you can select when staying, noise cancelling, ambient sound or off, when walking, noise cancelling, ambient sound or off, and same for running and when riding a vehicle. In the end, you can register a location. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.